Assalamu alaikum guys, myself Nadir Khan. I hope you are fine. So today I am making this video for those people who want to block someone on WhatsApp. So first of all you have to open your WhatsApp like this. Then your first option and your first step is to start your WhatsApp. So I use this WhatsApp to block someone. So start from. So I want to block this contact. This is Nadir Khan. Myself also named Nadir Khan, but my other number is also saved by name Nadir Khan. So open this contact. So there is interface like this, and if I want to block Nadir Khan, then you have to go in setting which is there. So press these three dots for more setting, and the next step is option more. Press on more, and the next step is block option, and then press the block button or touch the button, and then this option is for blocking someone. So touch this block, and you have to on your Wi-Fi or on your data connection for blocking someone. So sorry, I have to start data connection. And after this, again go to setting more and block. So now you can see that I blocked this contact and this has blocked. So there is a network issue in my area, so it can take several minutes. And if anyone have a best signal, 4G, he will and also she will get this option and do block anyone as soon as possible. Okay, please like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my video. Allah Hafiz.